Have you heard of KFC? We all have. We all enjoy the pizza or maybe burger or maybe something or the other from the big brand KFC. Do you think the founder of the KFC just reached that particular point in life in a matter of few days or just few months? He faced lot of challenges. He had got lot of rejections in life before he actually could do what he always wanted to do. You need to burn the midnight oil in order to get something from this just one life. If you will just sit back and relax, this life will just fade away. Do you want to lead that kind of life? Or do you want to give comfortable, luxurious life to your loved ones? If you want to do that, then be ready to sacrifice. Be ready to sharpen your axe. Add skills in your profile. Do something great. Help as many people as possible. Excellence is never an accident. It is not easy to reach heights. It is not easy to do something what you always wanted to do. Most of the people just keep penning down the things what they wish, and there are very few who are actually able to achieve those things in life. So choice is yours. What is it that you want from this life? What is it that you want to do for people?